Hello, so welcome to the next stitch of the 50 stitches crochet along, and this week we're making the heart stitch. So the heart stitch creates these lovely hearts, and they come directly off this row of double crochet, so they're not sewn on, they are made as you make your rows, and just makes a lovely pretty pattern. So how do we make it? So we're going to be using a 3.5mm hook, and I'm going to start with a chain of 32. So remember, your turning chain counts as a stitch, so I've just marked that last 32nd stitch in chain. Okay, so we're going to make a double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook. Into there. Okay, so 2 stitches, 1st and 2nd double crochet. And now we're going to make a double crochet in the next 7. So you'll have 9 in total for this first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so yarn, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so now we're going to start our first heart. So after your 9th double crochet, you're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to skip the first 2 chains, then the 3rd one, you're going to start slip stitches. Now keep these slip stitches loose because you're going to be working back into them later. I'm going to do 5 slip stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then chain 1. Now I recommend marking this chain 1 because we'll need to find it again later. So I'm just going to pop a stitch marker in there. Oops, not through that bit. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to turn so that now we're back on the other side of those chains we just made. So if I look down, pull this out of the way. So we've got the double crochet there, that's the first chain, the 2nd chain, and we're going to make our first stitch in the 3rd chain. Okay, 1, 2, and into the 3rd. And we're going to make a single crochet. The next stitch along, we're going to make a half double crochet. Oops, what's going on there? This bit is a bit fiddly, but once you get into the swing of things, it's not so bad. My yarn then. And the next stitch is a double crochet. Okay, and that leaves us with this last stitch here. Right. In this last stitch, we're going to make 4 treble crochets. So that's hook in, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and another 2. So you have to yarn over twice. pull through a stitch, 2 loops, another 2 loops, and the last 2 loops. You want 4 of those in the same stitch. 1, 2, number 3, and then number 4. Okay, so see your heart forming nicely there, and then you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into the same stitch as those trebles. That's one side of the heart. Now you need to turn so that you've now got this bit below you, and we've got those slip stitches we made at the top. So chain 4, 2, 3, 4. Oops. My yarn's decided it wants to have a knot in it. Not convenient. There we go. Okay, so into the same stitch as your 4 treble crochet on the bottom. What yarn have I done there? There we go. Right, so into the same stitch, just on the opposite side, another 4 treble crochet. So 1, 2, pull that out of the way, 3, and last one, and 4. Okay, just have to put it up a little bit to see next stitch, which is there. And in there, we're going to double crochet. So this is why you want to leave your stitches, slip stitches a bit loose, so you can get into these easier. So after you treble crochet, make a double crochet, the next stitch a half double, and single into the last stitch. There we go. And now into that marked single crochet, marked chain 1, I'm going to take that out and you're going to slip stitch into it. And that is your heart. There we go. Simple as that. Okay, now we need to get back into our first row of double crochet. To do that, we're going to go into the front loop of the double crochet that we started our heart in. We're going to go in there, and then we're also going to go through this top loop at the side. So through one strand, front loop only, through the side, and slip stitch. And then we're going to carry on the row of double crochet. So we're only going to be doing 1 heart in each row. Then we're going to double crochet all the way to the end. So that'll give you 30 double crochet plus a heart. When you get to the end of the row, you're going to chain 1 and make the alternate turning chain in the first stitch. I'm just going to put this to one side and bring you one I did earlier, so you're not waiting forever for me to chain back again. Okay, so when you've done your chain 1, back again, you're going to double crochet all the way across the row. And when you get to your heart, you're just going to double crochet around it. So each double crochet is a double crochet in it, including the one you started your heart, and you just crochet, double crochet around it. Strand keeps getting in the way. So that's the double crochet you made your heart in, and as you see there's a double crochet in there, it's just pushed to the side, so you'll have 30 double crochet in total. And you're going to get to the end, chain 1, alternate double crochet turning chain again, and double crochet 9. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that out. I just use that so I didn't lose my place. It all unravel on me. Okay, so on this row, we need to secure a heart. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need one more double crochet. And now we need to secure a heart so it doesn't flop. So I'm just going to pull the hook out, and I'm going to turn it so I've got the back of the heart facing me. Now you see these 2 loops at the top. Just going to pop my hook through them, pull my hook back through the double crochet loop, just going to pull that tight, and I'm just going to pull the hook through those loops, and then I'm just going to carry on with my double crochet. That's all there is to it. And that simple little pull through back of the heart secures it to your square. So no sewing involved, you're just pulling through. So I'll just quickly show you that again. Just pull that out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is number 9. So I'm just going to pull the loop up a bit, turn to the back of the heart. In those 2 loops right at the top, that should be where your slip stitch is, where for the 2 chains, for the chains of 4. And then hook back into that, your double crochet, pull it tight, and just pull the loop through. Turn around and carry on the double crochet. And there we go, one secured heart. Now we're going to carry on down the row and make another. So where did we get to? We got to 9 double crochet, secure the heart, and then you want another. You know, it's gone completely out of my head. You need 21 double crochet from start to finish. You need another 12. Okay, and then I'll just go back to the original and zoom back out. Okay, so the next one will be 21 double crochet across the row, and then you do another row double crochet behind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. So this row, I've changed colour after making the heart, and this will make it stand out much better. So change colour in row 2, and that's just double crochet all the way across. Row 3, you make row 3 coming from this side. You're going to make 9 double crochet, secure your heart, make another 12 double crochet and make another heart, then 9 double crochet to the end. I've changed colour again, and it's double crochet all the way across, nothing else. Turn and double crochet 15 and make another heart, That's if you want it in this pattern. You can play around with your hearts and position them any way you like. Then you'll double crochet 6, secure the heart from row 3, and then double crochet to the end, change colour, double crochet all the way across, double crochet 9, make another heart, double crochet 6, secure the heart from row 5, double crochet all the way across, another 15, turn, change colour, double crochet all the way across, turn, double crochet for 9, secure the heart, double crochet for 12, make another heart, to the end of the row. And that's the end of your heart. So then after that, all you got to do is secure that heart, and the rest is just double crochet. So I've made this in 13 rows. I have to make it was a bit of a close call, so you may need a final 14th row to see which works for you. For me it was a little too high, but 13's a smidge too small. But I decided to go on the small side rather than the large one. It's entirely up to you what works the best. So for the border, it's single crochet in every stitch across, extra stitch for the borders. For the side, single crochet, 2 single crochet in the side of every double crochet row, except for rows 1 and 13, and 4 and 10. That's 1, 4, 10, 13. I've added 3 single crochet in the side of those rows. The rest is 2 single crochet. And that is the heart stitch. So I hope you enjoy. Please do come to the Facebook group if you need any help, and please do come show us your finished squares. I always love to see them. And I will see you for the next stitch. Bye for now.